So Jason, before you go, give me one big takeaway of this year, one prophetic pronouncement for the industry. As somebody who's been around the block, seen a lot of cycles, what do you predict for 2023 busy season, and where maybe that and or big trend that you're tracking?
Well, I mean, that's a two-parter for me.
It is.
Everybody knows I come from the resolution world, and I made this pronouncement back in 2020 when the pandemic started with all the measures that were going on. I was telling everybody in 2 or 3 years, we're going to see this huge surge in resolution work. Okay.
People are not going to pay their idols. People are not going to pay their PPPs.
Correct. Well, and it's also the big thing is the breakup of payments of payroll tax deposits from 2020.
ERC shops
ERC
screwing it all up.
Yes.
Yes.
And so in 2023, actually it's already started, but in 2023, you're going to see a lot more 941 tax resolutions. There's going to be this whole wave.
Oh,
why? Because businesses are going to miss their December 31st, 2022 final installment payment on their 2020 941 obligations. Okay. So that's a huge one in the resolution side. So I would be remiss if I didn't say that.
That's short-term trend though. Go ahead.
Shut up, on the tax prep side, again, I know you don't want to be doom and gloom on the podcast.
Oh, man.
But if you have not started the process of transitioning your tax practice into either other revenue streams or providing tax prep for specific niche industries and professions where you can charge a higher price, you're already behind the 8 ball.
Yep.
Okay. You as every year goes on, this becomes more and more important. And so I'm not going to stop hammering about this. The robots are already here. They're already eating into your income. We're already seeing that in the preparer data, issued by the IRS. It's already happening. Okay.
Right.
It started a few years ago. And so as you start to lose ground on some of your clients that you don't have as solid of a long-term relationship with, they're going to go elsewhere. And so you've got to be doing things to offer additional value-added services so that you can get them to stay, and also to obviously increase your revenue per client. You've got to be focusing on how the change in the general tax prep landscape in the industry as a whole, as it goes towards more automation, how you're going to survive. What are you going to do? Okay. Yep. You need to be proactive about this, not reactive 5 years from now when you're suddenly like, whoa, where did all my basic 1040 work go? Because that's what's going to happen.
Yep. I love it.
That's my mini rant.
I mean, that's what I've been saying. And I think it's for sure true. There are exceptions to that, of course, but yeah.
Right. And you know what? A lot of people just rolled their eyes when I said that.
Well, it's kind of like Diversify or Die is coming. So
that's, that's a much better way of putting it.